Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to design a stunning ebook from scratch in Canva. Open Canva and click Templates. In the search bar, type Ebook Templates. Because I'm creating a novel, I'll enter Novel. Browse through the available options, choose the template you prefer, and select it. I'm picking this one for my project. Before you begin, make sure your entire ebook is fully written and saved as a Google Doc for easy access and editing. Here is my ebook, written in a Google document titled When the Rain Remembered. First, highlight and copy the entire text from your document. Next, open Canva and paste the copied content into your design. You can adjust the font size by selecting the text and choosing your preferred size from the toolbar. Additionally, you can change any names or titles by simply clicking into the text fields and editing them. Customize the layout to match your style and preferences. Update the table of contents to match your 3 chapters. Remove any extra chapter entries so only 3 remain. Next, switch to your Google document and copy the name of your first chapter. Paste it into the table of contents as the first entry. Repeat this process for the second chapter, copying its name and updating the second entry. Finally, copy the third chapter's name and paste it into the third entry in the table of contents. After renaming all chapters, notice the code page. Since it's unnecessary, select it and click Remove. Change the heading to Chapter 1. Next, copy the chapter title and paste it into the appropriate section. Then, select the entire chapter text, copy it, and paste it where required. This completes the chapter setup and prepares the document for you to continue working. Following these steps ensures your chapter information is organized and ready for editing. To continue, copy from the point where the content is overflowing. Cut that section, then duplicate the current page. Select everything on the new page and paste the content you just cut. Remove the chapter title from this page and reposition the content to the top. Now, the first chapter layout is complete. For the next chapter, copy this template for Chapter 1, move it downward to create space, and rename it as Chapter 2. This process lets you structure your content efficiently, maintaining consistency across chapters while saving time on formatting. Change the title to match Chapter 2 by selecting the title area and entering the new text. Next, copy the text for Chapter 2 and paste it into the main text box. If the text exceeds the page, highlight the overflow section, copy it, and paste it onto a new page. Delete any duplicate chapter titles and names from the new page to keep the formatting consistent. Move the remaining text upward so it fits better on the new page. If the content is still overflowing, copy the rest of the text and duplicate the page again. Paste the remaining overflow onto this new page. Repeat the process as needed until all of Chapter 2's text is distributed across the necessary number of pages. Now, Chapter 2 is completely entered and properly formatted. Continue creating Chapters 3 and 4. When you finish, your work will look similar to this example. This shows the completed chapters as they appear in the final version. You just learned how to make your own ebook in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.